When I first started experiencing alopecia, it hit hard. The thinning wasn't just physical, it affected how I felt about myself. After months of researching different clinics, I came across Beverly Hills Hair Center. Their branding and promises looked impressive, so I decided to book an initial consultation. The process of setting up the appointment was smooth, with responsive staff and flexible scheduling options. Once I arrived at the center, the environment felt professional but slightly commercialized. The staff were courteous, although the wait time was longer than expected. During the consultation, the specialist examined my scalp and discussed the causes of my alopecia. They recommended a combination of PRP therapy and laser treatments, assuring me I would see improvements within a few months. The pricing was on the higher side, and I wasn't offered much room to negotiate or customize the package. However, they did explain everything transparently and gave me literature on each procedure. I went ahead with the treatment plan, beginning with PRP therapy. The sessions were efficient, and while the injections were a bit uncomfortable, the staff tried their best to keep things tolerable. After about 6 weeks, I noticed subtle changes, slightly less hair shedding, and a healthier scalp appearance. But the results were not as dramatic as the center's marketing made them seem. Still, I appreciated that they set realistic expectations during follow-ups. The laser therapy, which was part of the second phase, was non-invasive but felt less effective. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another thing worth noting is the push to sell additional treatments, including dietary supplements and extended care packages. I didn't find those particularly helpful, and it felt more like a business move than genuine care. However, the core staff and medical team remained professional throughout. Customer service after the sessions could have been better. While the clinic checked in a couple of times, they didn't provide much ongoing support unless I initiated the contact. That said, the facility is clean, well-equipped, and has a strong presence in the Beverly Hills area. Overall, Beverly Hills Hair Center delivers on some of its promises, particularly in terms of treatment quality and environment, but it may not be the ideal choice if you're looking for budget-friendly or highly personalized service. Results vary, and while I saw moderate improvement, this journey is not one-size-fits-all. If you're exploring alopecia treatments and have the budget to invest, this clinic is worth considering. But go in with realistic expectations and be prepared to advocate for what you need. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more honest reviews on health and wellness services.